Hi everyone, it's Adam Beckman again. My name is not actually Adam Beckman, I just like having my name like that. But today I will be showing you guys my Piper fire alarm. Let's get on to the first one, which is right out here. I will have to turn, oh no, you can see it right there. That orange paper right there. Yep, I will be getting red ones. I'll let you guys see those. There is gonna be another one right there. Right there. Yep. There's others. There's some in there. There's my paper control panel. That's Kyler's. There's one over there. Now we have a pulse station right there. With the T-bar. There's a one right there. One right there and one right there. You can probably barely see it. But yeah, there's others around here. There's 2, 3 right there. One right there, one right there, one right there on the ceiling. I have another pulse station. One right there, one right there, one right there. That one, that one, that one. And then he's playing color dye. I don't know if you guys want to know. And there's one in here. This is not my house. This is my grandparents. But there's the last one. That's all my parents. See you later.